Everyone is mixing cloves of smell with alcohol. Once I reveal to you that I am doing it, you will be quite surprised. And I assure you that you will never stop using this recipe since it is very effective. So stay until the end, because what you will learn today, you will want to do at home. Both cloves of smell and alcohol are ingredients that most of us have at home, since we usually use it very often. But what few people know is that when we mix these two ingredients, we are creating a powerful home remedy that will do wonders to your health. But before I tell you everything that the mixture of cloves of smell with alcohol can do, it is necessary that you also know, because many are introducing 5 cloves of smell to a clove of garlic, since it will be a complement to the trick of cloves of smell with alcohol. It is well known how irritating mosquitoes, flies, and other insects are, which can cause dengue and malaria bites. But what few people know is that when we introduce cloves of smell to a clove of garlic, we are creating a powerful home remedy that will drive away these pests. The first thing we have to do is peel a clove of garlic. Then we introduce the 5 cloves of smell to the garlic as I show you on the screen. I would like to know from which country you see us to send you a special greeting in a next video. Once this is done, we place the garlic in the places where mosquitoes frequent, such as behind the furniture and the room. This powerful trick will help us scare away those annoying insects. The clove of smell mixed with alcohol is a powerful analgesic. Thanks to the analgesic properties and stimulants of this plant, it will be perfect to alleviate the pain of mild sprains, and muscle aches. On the other hand, this combination is also ideal to repel mosquitoes, since the strong smell of the clove is annoying for them. So it will be an economic alternative for the days outdoors. The first thing we are going to do is add 25 cloves of smell in a container, and then add 100 milliliters of alcohol. We let it rest in a dark and cool place for 15 days. And that's it. You'll have your homemade topical and analgesic repellent. This home remedy should not be ingested, and you can only apply it in a topical way. If you found this advice useful, give it to someone who needs to know. Also, let me know below any other use you know of the clove of smell.